So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to turn off center stage, disable auto zoom in camera apps in iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max. So why turn off center stage? It prevents automatic zooming, then keep fixing framing and also better for tripod recording. Avoid camera movement during presentation. So the fixes methods are turn off center stage during a video call, FaceTime, Zoom or etc. Open FaceTime or any video calling app, then start a video call, then swipe down for the top right corner to open control center, then tap video effects, then tap center stage to turn it off. This disable auto zoom for the current call. Also the second method is using camera app. Open the camera app and tap the camera switch icon to use the front camera, then tap the center stage button, then turn auto zoom and auto rotate or on off as needed. If you manually zoom using the selfie zoom button or change the aspect ratio, center stage turn off automatically. So the method third is disable center stage from settings if available. Open settings, then go to FaceTime, then look for center stage, then toggle it off. Note, on some iOS version, it only appears during active video call. Method fourth, turn off in third party apps, Zoom, Teams, etc. Many apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet use iPhone's built-in center stage while in a call. Open Control Center, tap Video Effect, then disable center stage. Thank you.